Just caught this nicer walleye. I'm gonna quickly measure it before I release him just because I want to know. Nice one though. I'd say like 23 inches. Oh, I'm way off. Not even 20 inches. Just a really nice fat one. Okay, getting a good release on him. Settle down, let's go. Yeah, you're ready to go. Here she goes. Wow. That fish was instantly good to go. That was a nice one, almost 20 inches. Well, I wasn't even planning on recording this time. I recorded earlier, but I'm gonna record now because I just caught that one, and that was the nicest fish I caught today. If you're curious. Are you kidding me? It popped off, Christian. I just had another one grab right at shore. It popped off right at shore. Muskrat, oh, you're so cute. Like making it all when we come out. You did? Good job. Nice. That's a nice. Here. Christian caught a fish. Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, that thing is deep.
What the fuck? A boat propeller, I'd say, did that.
Oh, yeah. Damn.
Look
poor
at this
baby.
fish.
Actually, never mind.
Oh, something bit it.
Quite possibly.
Can you like show it?
Yes, ma'am. Look at this. My God.
And you guys, like, I watched. Nothing happened to that fish that was like that when he pulled it
Wow.
up. Something definitely bit it.
Poor baby. Gotta hurt little mama.
Get her back. Something either bit it or I'd say bit the way it looks.
Yes, but either way,
Probably
God
the
bless
fish.
the little one.
Probably the one I just caught. Probably bit that one. See, they're grabbing like right at shore. He just lost it and he cast it and said, "Wonder if I can get it again." And I watched and it came up out of the abyss and grabbed him. Oh yeah, healthy. Nice. Beautiful. She took right off. Oh my God. Do you see that? Yeah, right at shore. And he didn't have to set the boat the same thing. Oh no. Oh thank God. I literally see my other swim bait. Oh, I just lost another one. I almost got a double header.
Here, I'll show you your audience real quick, and I'll get this little mama release. Because you're about to slam another one. Yes, and that's what I said. You're about to slam another one. So yes, here I'll show off little mama. Floppy. All right, here's a cute little another one. Perfect eater. Honestly, do you mind if I keep my 4 eaters? She's Nita. Thank you, God.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, that's a nicer one though. Yeah, nicer. Oh, that's a fatty.
Beauty.
Beautiful.
Oh, yes.
I'm taking pictures at the same time as videoing. That's a nice one. Healthy. Well, this is one of the best days of fishing so far for us.
I know. Like,
Usually one of us is catching and the other is not catching, but we're both catching. They're biting good. Beautiful.
all right, let's put that. Right?
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, nice. You already have everything
Yeah, I
set
do it
up.
now like that so it's faster and I can get them back as fast. if I'm not keeping them, right?
Gucci.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Not even too big to keep if you wanted to keep her.
No.
Just a nice and fat, healthy one.
There. That's
Beautiful.
Very chunky, healthy slabs.
I just realized I'm holding this upside down. I wonder how long. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Lovely, healthy slabs.
High five. That's a beautiful fish. Nice one, Quinnen. Everyone say nice one, Quinnen. All right, well, the fish are still biting. Back to fishing. $16 inches, second biggest of the day. Yeah, you guys can just watch me release him. And trust me or don't, honestly. I don't care. I'm releasing him though.
Man, that thing was a torpedo.
He went back so fast, he sprayed me all over my sleeves. Ah, this is such a good day, oh my gosh. Ah!
It just keeps getting better.
Well, that's the first one I caught on camera tonight, but the rest of them are gonna be in a different video, but same thing. Ow. All right, well. You see what I was talking about? It's unheard of that people will slow down. Everyone else is that they're just assholes. So that one today,